Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 16 by 20 canvas, and if you guys have been watching some of my recent videos, I've been working with getting the cloud effect. And my last video I did use the Behr house paint satin enamel ultra pure white, and I mixed that with my Artist Loft Floetrol white. And I mix it half and half, and then I add my pouring medium until I get the right consistency. Now, I've tried a few times different ways, and today is another way that I'm doing it. I already put the a thin layer of the white down, and then I am going to do the pour in my cup. Hopefully, I'm thinking that if I do it that way, that the colors, when I pour it onto the dry canvas, it won't pull itself under, because my last two I've kind of lost the end rings. So I'm going to try something new to try to achieve where I actually have all the colors of the rainbow. So we're going to get started. I've got my cup, and I'm just going to put a little bit in the bottom. And I'm going to start with the red. I've tried both ways, so I'm just going to start with the red. And all my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, floetrol, and water. And also I am using a smaller cup. The other ones I used, oh geez, I think it was a 16-ounce cup, I think. Now the first one I did was a bigger canvas. It was an 18 by 24, and then the next one I did was a 16 by 20, and I still used the same size cup. So I'm hoping that maybe I'll be able to, the white paint will be able to help me spread it out more, and so I won't lose the end. In this, it'll be the blues and the purple and some of the green. So hopefully that works. If not, I guess I'll just keep trying. But I've had some good success with it. Sorry, I'm out of the picture there. I've had quite a bit of success with the cloud effect, so fingers crossed. I'm going to pour a little extra purple. This one seems a little thicker, just because that's the last color, and a lot of times that last color gets dumped off most. So alright, and there is my cup. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and get on with it. Here we go. Okay guys, so I'm going to take you in for a close-up. I'm not really sure how I feel about this one. There's a few things that I do like about it. I do like this section right here with purple and white. I've got like some cool detail happening right through there. There we go. And of course I love the middle. It looks very cool. And then I unexpectedly got some cells pop up right through here. So that's cool. I was thinking about dumping some of it off, and my husband came in and said to leave it. So I guess I'm just going to let it dry. And then I'll be back to show you. Alright, sit tight. Okay guys, so here it is, dry. Take you in for a close-up. I really did not like this. There was a few spots that I did like, and I was really gonna dump it and start over. But when my husband came in and saw it, he liked it, so I left it. And now that I see it dry, I like it more. I do like the unexpected, little cells that I got there. And of course I did get, the cloud effect. I love that right in the middle. And the lines are very defined, so I do like that too. So, and I'm happy that I did get all the colors finally. So yay. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And have a great day.